A powerful 6.3-magnitude earthquake has hit the Philippines, rattling buildings in Manila and sparking evacuations across the city. Buildings swayed in the main business district as the quake struck at 5:11 p.m. local time, 9:11 a.m. GMT, at a shallow depth of 25 miles, some 37 miles northwest of the city. One building, Anchor Skysuites' luxurious apartment complex, was captured on camera swaying so heavily that the penthouse pool on top of it began dumping water on the streets below. That video was shared by London-based DJ and cameraman, Magic, who's currently in the country. He tweeted it along with the message, "The earthquake was so strong that even the pool from the top deck leaked." The building is the tallest in the Chinatown district of Manila and one of the tallest in the Philippines, standing at 181 meters tall. It has 53 floors and the top floor is believed to have a penthouse with a pool. The website for the building boasts that it has a 25-meter-long lap pool as well as a kiddies pool, but the water may also be gushing from water tanks situated at roof deck and below ground floor. The U.S. Geological Survey, USGS, initially said the magnitude was 6.4 but later downgraded it slightly. There were no immediate reports of casualties or damage. Some people evacuated their offices in Manila. The Philippines is on the seismically active Pacific Ring of Fire, a horseshoe-shaped band of volcanoes and fault lines circling the edges of the Pacific Ocean.